Why do we hiccup? You're fine and suddenly hiccup, hiccup.
Oh my!
But what's really going on? Hiccups happen when the muscle called diaphragm contracts suddenly. That muscle helps you breathe. When it jerks, air rushes in quickly. Your voice box closes suddenly and then you hear hic. Triggers include eating too fast, cold drinks, or sudden excitement. You can stop it with techniques like holding your breath, breathing into a paper bag, or even pulling your tongue. So hiccups are a reflex, not a curse. As usual, stay healthy and like and subscribe to follow. Peace.